The 2012 BMW 1 Series M Coupe Dakar Yellow. Back in 2010, pictures of a Dakar Yellow BMW M3 spotted in Southern California flooded the internet, gaining the admiration of many a car enthusiast. At that time, we wondered why BMW did not carry the striking yellow exterior finish on more of their models, but alas, the German automaker stuck to their high-maintenance, frozen finishes of dark blue, gray, and silver. Until now. A similar Dakar Yellow package has been applied to the new 1 Series M Coupe, rounded out by a series of visual and power upgrades. The package starts off with a series of elements from the BMW Performance arm, including new seats, a new steering wheel, pedals, shifter, and carbon fiber trunk lip. Then, since this is a high-performance sports coupe, carbon fiber elements were thrown in to enhance its character. The 1M Coupe received a new front lip, a new diffuser, new side valances and skirts, and a new roof, all covered in carbon fiber. For an even meaner look, the car also received new angel eyes. Under the flashy paint job and shimmering carbon fiber, the BMW 1M Coupe also juiced up with new Brembo brakes and a new set of KW suspensions. Next, the Dakar Yellow 1M received an Akrapovic exhaust system and a wireless kit to add to the all-around fun of the sports coupe's twin turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with 340 horsepower.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.